Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about why smart home security matters in 2025. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's start off with a quick question. What do you think? You're looking at this right now. Is this the doorbell that you have at your house? Maybe you need an upgrade? It's 2025 and your home isn't just where you live. It's a digital ecosystem. But the smarter our homes become, the more they're exposed to cyber threats and real-world risks. So here's the real question. How secure is your smart home? Smart homes are expected to hit $195 billion in global market size by the end of 2025. From Alexa to smart locks and thermostats, every device that has a Wi-Fi connection collects data and if left unprotected could be a digital open door for hackers. That's why smart home security isn't optional anymore, it's essential. So what's new in 2025? Well, first, AI-powered cameras that recognize faces, not just motion like the Allo Pro 5S, which uses AI to differentiate between familiar faces and unknown visitors and sends you alerts when someone familiar comes home or an unknown face shows up. There's also biometric locks like the UltraLock U Bolt Pro that use your fingerprint or face for entry. And there's solar-powered, eco-friendly security like the Realink Go PT Solar asterisk that works even during power outages. These innovative solutions provide better, more targeted security without compromising on convenience. However, the most high-tech gear can save you from the most low-tech mistakes. Don't use the default passwords. Don't skip those firmware updates. Always enable two-factor authentication and use a guest Wi-Fi network for your smart devices. A guest Wi-Fi network is a separate Wi-Fi network that you can create for your smart devices. This way, they're not connected to your main network, which contains all of your sensitive information. Let me tell you a story. In 2023, a Los Angeles homeowner stopped a robbery thanks to a smart camera that detected motion, activated lights, locked doors, and notified police in seconds. That's the power of smart security in action. Your home is your sanctuary. Protect it like one. Check out our top picks for smart security gear. You'll find links in the description below. We've listed our top picks for smart security gear in the description below. Check them out on Amazon and take control of your home's safety today. Thanks for watching. On-screen text, links in the description.